What are the psychological concerns of human cloning? What are the psychological concerns of human cloning? This question opens up a fascinating discussion about identity, social relationships, and the very essence of being human. When we think about cloning, we often focus on the scientific aspects, but the psychological implications are equally important. One major concern is the identity crisis that cloned individuals might face. Unlike children born through traditional means, clones are genetic copies of another person. This unique situation could lead to feelings of not being unique, which is essential for personal identity and mental health. Imagine growing up knowing you are a genetic replica of someone else. Clones may feel pressure to meet the expectations of their genetic original. This could create stress and confusion about who they are as individuals. The struggle for self-identity is a common theme in psychology, and cloning adds a new layer of complexity to it. Another significant concern revolves around parent-child relationships. In typical reproduction, a child inherits genetic traits from both parents, which helps shape emotional bonds. However, cloning creates a direct genetic link to only one parent. This could alter how parents relate to their cloned child, potentially affecting the emotional investment in the relationship. The traditional family dynamics may shift, leading to challenges in the clone's psychosocial development. Social challenges also come into play. Clones might find themselves constantly compared to their genetic donor, similar to how identical twins sometimes face identity struggles. Knowing that their genetic makeup was intentionally chosen could lead to existential questions about autonomy and self-determination. On a broader scale, the societal implications of cloning raise concerns about how we value individuals. If cloning becomes a means to produce children with preferred traits, it could shift societal views on what is considered valuable or desirable. This might foster superficial attitudes toward human life, which is troubling. Despite these concerns, some experts argue that clones would not necessarily mirror all traits of their genetic donor. Personality and identity are shaped by a mix of genetics and environment. Therefore, psychological support and thoughtful parenting could help clones develop healthy identities. In the realm of experimental and emerging science, human cloning presents a unique twist on reproduction. It challenges our conventional ideas about individuality and family. The bizarre scenario of being both a genetic repeat and a new individual raises quirky questions about what it means to be human. This odd mix of sameness and difference could lead to unexpected psychological puzzles, making human cloning a captivating yet unsettling experiment in our understanding of identity.